Alright, YouTube, another entry I'm in right now, went goods, running goods, as you can see right now, in profits, yeah. Quick update here on my MetaTrader 5, as you can see, running goods, in profits right now. Yeah, running like $14,000 per position, $28,000 in profits right now, as you can see. This buy entry on gold in the 4-hour time frame, and guys, it's already doing good, yeah. So let me show to you the before and after, so you can like see better. So that's the trade running right now. That's my entry points, straight in profits. That's the 4-hour time frame, yeah. Straight in profits, already doing good. And guys, that's literally the let me show to you. That's the before, yeah. So let me put it here so I can be my straight. So okay, yeah. That's the before, once I enter the trade, and that's now. Before, now. You see? That's the trade running now. We'll talk about, okay, $14,000 each position, as you can see, yeah. Already running profit this entry as well. Guys, pretty insane, yeah. Pretty insane the trades I'm taking, out, my history in the markets. You can see, just, watching, see all my entries I've been taking real time here with you guys in the YouTube channel, because I'm documents out. And another entry again, yeah. We can say like I'm almost 2 months straight with 100% win rate without any loss. 2 months straight, 100% win rate. And we're doing it again, yeah, you can see. And let me show you the MetaTrader right now and the trading view. Basically, as you can see right here, yeah, my trading view, guys, it's insane because we had this area right here, a lot of buying pressure in this area. That's why I put this yellow rectangle, so you can see that's all the trades I took, yeah. Basically, guys, 100% win rate like for 2 months already, yeah. That's the trades I took right now, and the reason is simple, guys. We had a lot of buying pressure here, so basically I know, okay, we have a lot of buy pressure in this area, and if the market breaks out this area, okay, now the sellers are strong, yeah. But if price is still reacting in this area, if the price comes to that area is still rejecting, that means a lot of buy people, buy orders are sit down in that area, and that's exactly what's happening again. So I put my alerts right here. Once the market active that area, you can see rejected again, yeah. We have a retracement in the same area again, same thing, that happened before, yeah. Market starts this area by pressure, starts in this area, have a manipulation right here, so break out, pick it up out the stop loss of the buyers was here, yeah, and then push, back in the price again up, and then again price come back to the area, order like a lot of buying pressure over here and reject it again, retracement happen, yeah. And once I saw this higher lows, higher highs forming with this big wick right here, retracement movements in that buying pressure area, yeah, I just know, okay, that's the best time to enter in a buy entry, because market just rejected again in the same area. In the same area, there's a lot buy pressure sit down, yeah. And then once I saw this big wick, this big like pin bar, you see this wick right here, this confirmation, I just waited for the market to give me, okay, the structure forming, the rejection already happened, and can execute a buy entry, and that's what's happened, yeah. I executed my buy entry. My stop loss was here at the beginning, was wide because my entry points was not on point, was not here, yeah. My goal was to get a entry points right here in that area, right in the rejection, but I entered into this late, but my idea was still like working, and okay, I decided to take action and executed the trade. My stop loss was right here. Once the market breaks this level, you see, like this wick right here, yeah, the top of this wick right here, let me draw for you. So once the market break out this top of this wick, yeah, once break out this area, I put my stop loss right here. Once the market active that area, that liquidity, yeah, that area right here, this another wick, I'm gonna put my stop loss to break even, yeah. And then once the market active that area right here, I'm gonna put my stop loss, guarantee profits, yeah, until hits my take profits, who is like this lower high right here, yeah. And basically, guys, the trades on the MetaTrader 5, yeah, that's the thing, guys. I'm not here, okay, oh, I'm taking this trade on the trading view. No. I'm opening out the trades in my real accounts on my MetaTrader, as always, guys, as always. If you don't know me yet, my name is Samir. I'm trading just gold for 6 years now. So yeah, I can say like almost 6 years, and that's basically how I trade, yeah. You understand, okay, it's not more about the knowledge, it's not more about the strategy you have, but about your execution, your decision making, yeah? How you take your decisions. You are able to identify, okay, that's the time for me sit down and do nothing and avoid some emotional decisions. Once you see all the stars align, okay, that's the time for me execute, yeah? That's exactly why what I'm master for myself and for my students as well. So, it's still like running, guys, as you can see right here, yeah, $14,000 its position in profits right now on gold. This is in the 4 hours time frame, as you can see. If I put in the 1 hour time frame, and you see like way better the trades, yeah. That's the 1 hour time frame, running goods. You can see the before as well, yeah. That's when entering the trades, you see, and that's now, yeah. So I have before and after, before and after. We did it again, yeah. We did it again. One more time, by the way, one more time. And I was still holding the trades, and guys, I keep you updates as always. Yeah, the trades running goods. We have a lot of rejection in this buy pressure right here, and we know, yeah, if the market break out this area right here, this buying pressure, that's where the sellers are strong, yeah. So until there, market is still respecting that area, yeah. Market still respecting the area. So that's our area, basically. A lot of buy orders sitting here. The market is respecting, rejecting, retracement happening in the area. And I was looking for markets coming already to this area so I can get a buy entry. Markets coming. I didn't saw a clear confirmation at the time. Then I saw this one right here, but wasn't enough for me because had the news, so it can be just okay, volatility of the news. And I waited for a clear like structure in the market. And then the market giving me this clear structure. I execute my buy entry. Once market break out this level right here, I put my stop loss way below this structure. Yeah, now running profits. Once the market's active, basically that area, I'll be moving my stop loss to break even. So yeah, guys, we'll talk about $15,000 in profits per trades right now. 15, yeah. Running very good, All right, yeah, guys. Just for you who are seeing, that's the guy, the Jasper. Yeah, bro, you're seeing this, yeah, like crazy. Yeah, right now, guys, just running. I picked up this guy, like, bro, you can say like 2 months ago. He's like very like big right now. Yeah. So yeah, guys, doing good. Trades running good right now. Yeah, as you can see, $15,000 running profits. Let me show it to you right here. We're running right now $15,000 in profits, as you can see. Yeah. We're talking about $30,000 both trades. Yeah, as you can see. Like yes, like you see, its position $15,000 in profits running right now. Yeah, doing pretty good. Markets, following exactly the direction. And guys, that's insane because trades doesn't take like 1 hour for my day. Yeah, for me, I execute this trade like 20 minutes is all I needed. Yeah, I just waited for the market to give me a clear structure. I'm so sharp with my decision making right now, so confident with all my trades because, guys, you see, my winning streak is insane. If you see my history, let me show the history of my MetaTrader. You see, we don't have any red numbers. You see? That's it. And the crazy thing is, like, guys, I'm documenting all the trades I'm taking. If you go back and watch my like last YouTube videos, you see all these trades for us in the screen right now. I was documenting the same time I was taking the trades, the same time. And you can see right here, yeah. I think life can't be better than this. I'm literally going to Europe, yeah, like basically this like next two weeks. So man, just enjoy life, yeah, you see, 15K running right now in profits. The market like is running good, as you can see. And this video is another update for you guys about my entries, about my trades. I've been like, yeah, I'm literally posting all the entries, I'm literally posting all the entries I'm doing for you here, so you can guys keep updated about my win rates, about the way I trade, about the trades I'm taking. And it's cool, yeah, to build like public, to build with you guys here on the YouTube channel. It's cool because yeah, I love that. Like, okay, doing good, the entry. It's not easy, guys. 16K, $16,000 running profits right now. 16. Let me just, yeah. And like floating 16, $15,000 in profits running right now. Yeah. We're talking about 16K each position. You see? Yeah, doing good. Markets keep going. As you can see here in the trade view, yeah. Crazy. Just closed this full body 4 hours bullish candle, as you can see. Yeah. We just closed this candle right here in the 4 hours, as you can see, 4 hours, yeah, full bullish. And we had another candle open, yeah, above that candle as well. We have the confirmation of retracements in this area right here with this yellow rectangle. That's a lot of buy pressure right here, and then markets give me like this bullish uptrend momentum. Yeah, just for you guys get a better context. Basically, you can see here the market structure. Yeah, I'll be looking for markets shifting the structure from these downtrends, so we can say like, yeah, an uptrend right here. Yeah, if markets break out this level. And of course, the more stronger area, the area as well. We have a lot of selling pressure sits down in the area. So same way, we have a lot of buying pressure here. We have a lot of selling pressure here. Yeah. So that's both areas I'll be looking for. I'm with my trades running right now in profits. So yeah, I mean, it's doing pretty good. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. Yeah, almost $1,000 more in profits. Almost $17,000 running right now. Almost $17,000 running right now. It's insane, guys. It's insane. Yeah, this is a 4-hour trade. I wish I can, be in a YouTube video just holding all the trades until hit my take profits. But of course, this is gonna take a while. Yeah, but if I like be more updated about my entries, about what I'm doing in real time, just follow me on my Instagram. I'm posting out there. Just my DM if you have any questions. Yeah. I just recorded a testimonial with Jason Lee, one of our students as well, guys. Insane testimonial. Just go check there my last YouTube video before the one as well. Yeah. And this one, I mean, running right now almost $17,000 in profits. Yeah. This is the 4 hours time frame, as you can see. I mean, guys, I don't have anything more to say. Just quick updates. Let's see, how it's gonna go. Like this month, last month, insane. I can't say like wasn't good because you can see here in my history, yeah, just blue numbers, 100% win rate. All the traders. If I just double to myself, go watch my last YouTube videos. It's out there. All the trades, all these trades are here. It's all on my YouTube videos. Yeah, just go watch. Yeah, you can see like really good. We open another 4 hours candle, like bullish as well. Let's see. Yeah, running $17,000 in profits right now. Doesn't stop going up. Yeah, doesn't stop going up. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. That's insane. All right. I think we're gonna end that video here. And keep updated, guys, on my Telegram channel as well. It's all in the description link. If you wanna join in my inner cycle on the Telegram, it's free. Just join. You're gonna know the things I'm doing in real time, and stuff, my Instagram as well. And this trade, floating 17, 16. It's crazy because, guys, once I started the video, the trade was like 15, 14K. We just went up like $2,000 more just while I was recording the video. You see, $17,000 running profits right now, as you can see. Just the moment I was recording the video, we just went up more $2,000 in profits with this entry. And the best thing is, of course, my students know about the entries I'm taking, but my goal is not for my students copy and paste my entries. No, they understand the better. That's the better thing. They understand why I'm doing something, okay? Bro, these cats, bro, wait. Bro, you're gonna stay with me, yeah? So the best thing is, like, you see, guys, look at the full body, closing. You see? The candle, full body. Man, that's crazy. Let me see. Yeah, we're running right now. Yeah, $17,000 and 200, as you can see. That's insane. That's insane. Yeah. That's insane. That's insane. And my students know exactly how I'm taking these trades. As I said, it's not just they copy me. Yeah, okay. Samir is taking the trades, I'm gonna take the same. No. They understand why I'm doing something, why I'm making this decision. Yeah. The goal is for you to have the same decision making, the same thought process that I have to execute this type of trades. Yeah. Have these trades running like this, 100% win rates in 2 months, just blue numbers on the history. That's the goal. That's the goal. Yeah, and that's exactly what my students are doing. You just can check in my last YouTube video for Jason Lee. It's out there. Yeah, you can just, watch and see like himself speaking. Yeah, it's the same. The work we're doing, the trades I'm catching, the new traders I'm rebuilding. Yeah, because I'm picking up traders who are in the market for 2 or 3 years, still stuck, don't know what they're doing, and just identify the bottleneck, identify the blind spots you cannot see, and give you a clear direction, a clear execution process, so you can just follow. Like myself. Yeah, get this type of results. Living the life, travel, yeah, make like this amounts of money. We're gonna talk about $30,000 in profits running these trades. Yeah, I think this video is it. Yeah, bro, it doesn't stop, bro. Alright, guys. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. See you, okay, say in the next one.